Hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Codilla's Magento 2 tutorial. In today's video, we will be discussing layered navigation, a powerful tool that enhances the shopping experience by allowing customers to filter products based on various attributes. Layered navigation in Magento is a feature that helps customers quickly find the products they are looking for by narrowing down search results using specific attributes. Think of it as a dynamic filtering system that appears on category pages and search result pages. When customers visit a category like men's shorts from the top navigation, they initially see all products in that category. However, to make their shopping experience more efficient, we can use layered navigation to filter products by attributes such as style, climate, color, material, pattern, or price, or a combination of these values. For example, a customer might only want to see blue shorts made of cotton in a specific price range. By selecting these attributes such as color to blue, material type to cotton, and price range from 0 to 1500. The product list dynamically updates to show only the items that matches these criteria. The attributes that can be used for filtering appear in an expanding section on the side of the page, making it easy for customers to refine their search. In summary, layered navigation not only enhances user experience, but also helps in increasing conversion rates by making it easier for customers to find exactly what they are looking for. Now, let's see how to set up and configure this feature in your Magento 2 store. First, we need to set up the attribute properties for layered navigation. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel. In the Magento admin panel, go to Stores, Attributes, Product. In that, browse or use filtered search to find an attribute in the list and open it in edit mode. For example, let's take the color attribute. Click on the attribute name to edit it. In the left panel, choose Storefront Properties. Set Use in Layered Navigation to either filterable with results or filterable no results. Filterable with results means the layered navigation includes only filters with matching products. Filters with 0 matches are omitted. Filterable no results includes all filters, even those with 0 matches. Also, set Use in Search Results Layered Navigation to Yes to include this attribute in Search Results Layered Navigation. The catalog input type for store owner property of each attribute must be set to yes or no, drop down, multiple select, or price for it to be used in layered navigation. Once done, click Save Attribute. Repeat these steps for each attribute you want to include in layered navigation. Now, let's move on to making categories and anchor to use these attributes. We need to set categories as anchors to enable layered navigation. In the Magento admin panel, go to Catalog, Categories. Select the category you want to edit. For example, let's choose Women. Under the Display Settings tab, set Is Anchor to Yes. This enables layered navigation for this category. Click Save to apply the changes. Your category is now set up to use layered navigation. Customers can now filter products within this category based on the attributes you configured. Let's test the results to ensure everything is working correctly. Now that we have set up our layered navigation, it's time to see the results. Visit your store and navigate to the category from the main menu where you enabled layered navigation. For example, go to the Women category. The selection of filterable attributes should appear in the layered navigation section of the category page. You can filter by attributes like color, size, material, and more. Try selecting different filter options to see how the list of products updates. Make sure that the filtering works as expected and products are displayed correctly. If you notice any filters showing 0 product matches, you might want to adjust the attribute settings to filterable with results to remove filters with 0 matches. Now, let's move on to configuring price navigation for layered navigation. In this section, we'll explore how to configure price navigation for your layered navigation in Magento 2. In the Magento admin panel, navigate to Stores, Settings, Configuration. In the left panel, expand Catalog and choose Catalog underneath. Then expand the layered navigation section. By default, display product count is set to yes. If necessary, deselect the Use System Value checkbox to change this setting. Set price navigation steps calculation to one of the methods. The first one is automatic equalize price ranges. In this, the price navigation steps are calculated to equalize the price ranges. Next one is automatic equalize product counts. In this, steps are calculated to equalize the product counts within each price range. You can also set the interval division limit to determine the threshold for the number of products within a price range. Last one, manual. In this, you can specify the default price navigation step and the maximum number of price intervals allowed. After configuring these settings, click Save Config to apply the changes. Today, we have covered how to set up and configure layered navigation in Magento 2. We started by configuring attributes, making categories, testing the results, and finally configuring price navigation.